It is now Tuesday. I don't even remember when the last video went up or what day it was from, to be honest. It's all been kind of a blur, to be real, but it's Tuesday now. It's about 6 o'clock in the afternoon, and I just got done working at the feedlot, so I'm gonna go head up north, and we're gonna try to get the field cultivator through those last 30 acres that are so freaking wet, or at least they were last time I was up there. I'm hoping that dried out since I stock chopped it, so that's the plan. And then hopefully tomorrow I can get it planted at some point. It's been pretty hot and dry, but we got like 3 days of rain coming, it sounds like, so roads around here are just awful. But anyways, that's the plan for right now, and we'll see how she goes. I stopped at one of my planted fields up north here, and that's looking actually pretty good. The stand looks pretty decent, but over here, like where I just planted into the old alfalfa, it's looking a wee bit sketchy. I don't know. I think it's mostly just the emergence is a little bit weird, because some places it's coming up real good, and then some places it's not at all. But I went out and dug a little bit, and it looks like it's all gonna come up, so I think it's mostly just because that alfalfa is so tough. So I mean, obviously as a farmer you always want to grow as best crop as you can, but you know, when corn's looking like it's gonna be $3 this year, makes it really tough to even care that much. But just takes a little bit of the incentive away, I guess. What, bud? What are you doing? Phone call. Well, I might have done goofed already. We're still making it a little bit, but God, do we have some ruts. Oh, jeez. We're so close to being out. We just gotta get another 10 foot up there, I think. I don't know why I decided to try this yet again. Ah! Dang it! Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh my God, it's so soft up there. I just I cannot keep my front tires from sinking in. I don't know why I brought the two-wheel drive tractor through here again. Oh, stupid, stupid. That's unfortunate, but at least Brad's here, so he's getting the 83 right now. He's gonna bring it over here, pull me the rest of the way out. We're so freaking close. My front tires just won't pop out. They're just digging. So, and this is when it pays to have buddies come out randomly just because they want to. So glad you decided to come out.
Always something. Always something. Of course, everybody thinks I'm Brad.
Jesus Christ. Trevor fucks up and the whole family reunion has to happen.
It's kind of funny. We are family.
Yeah. Cousins and brothers.
Yeah.
I can tell.
It's pretty greasy.
What a bad influence. Gosh.
Light it up.
Brad's a bad influence on everybody. Well, when you forget to bring a leash and your dog might chase after these horses that are over here, you get real ghetto with it. You use a ratchet strap. Oh. It is now the next day. I'm just getting ready to head up north. I think we're gonna try to field cultivate as much as we can and then hop in the planter, get as much planted of that last like 30 acres or whatever's left there. That's pretty wet still, so that's the plan anyways. God, do I have a booger? No, we're good. But yeah, I had to go around that middle spot, and then I went as far north as I could until it started just getting really wet, and I didn't want to get the tractor stuck for like the 19th time this year. So I guess gonna go get some seed and plant what I can here, and then see what it looks like when I get done planting, and see if I can't get any more tore up at the end of the day. So I see a cash man. He's been with that evil Maddie all morning. Hi buddy. Cash man. Hello. Oh my gosh, put some clothes on. You're on YouTube, dude. What we got here? Look, chicken fried rice. All right, lunch break is over. Grabbing seed, back up north, plant it, go home, hopefully. If everything goes right, that's how it will go. Backup cameras are so nice. I know it sounds girly. I don't care, they're nice. Let's roll. Every freaking time. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, I shaved over my lunch break, so if I look a little bit hotter and sexier, that'd be why. And now you're gonna see one of my dumbass Snapchats because I thought it was funny. I suppose better check what the seed looks like in the ground here. Wait a damn second. Holy fuck, boys. Looks like yields are going way up this year, huh? All right, let's load her up. I'm only putting 4 bags in at a time instead of 8 because I wanted to put some of the better seed where it's pretty dry right here, and then the rest is last year's seed that we had left over. I'm just gonna throw that in where it's real wet, since kind of a 50-50 chance if that's gonna come up or not. So might as well not use expensive seed there, huh? And we are planting. Looks pretty good back there so far. Considering this didn't even get disked or anything, I mean, can't complain too much. Hopefully it continues for a while anyways. We'll see. Well, this was kind of what I was afraid of. Closing wheels got mud packed in there, and they weren't turning very well. So we're a solid 3 passes in, and it's already not going great anyways, but whatever. Easy fix. never mind. It never started turning when I had the planter in the ground, so I guess walking back to the pickup now. Gonna go ahead and take that wheel off and see what the issue is. Hopefully if I just give it a little lubrication, it'll fix itself. Well, she's all fixed. So this is basically where the wet spot starts. As you can see, didn't really stock chop much of it. Well, I tried to, but there's big ruts in there all over the place and whatnot, so not gonna go through there. And I don't really want to switch the field cultivator onto this tractor and unhook and rehook and all that jazz, so I guess it will just have to stay like that for now. I mean, it's not too terribly much. And then over here, I don't know if you can see where the stalks are standing still. That is probably not going to get planted today either, because when I had the chopper on this thing, there's still water standing over in those rows, so probably going to say that's going to be a no-go. Okay, well, I guess it's supposed to rain for the next 3 days. I got pretty much everything planted that I possibly could. 4640 is still stuck over there, but I did what I could. That's basically what I didn't get planted to the 46 over there. There's the fence line, so I don't know. I'm assuming maybe anywhere from 8 to 14 acres. Anyways, I'm heading back home now. I don't know, I might have a couple buddies over just to fake celebrate the end of plant season. So if I do that, you'll probably see it, and if not, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.